eventually changed. Amazing. So what's going on, YouTube? I just adjusted my rear set, so I'm trying to test it out today. I actually have it pretty high originally when I put on the Ducati rear sets, and it felt like it was pinching, like it was too tight, like it was too high. I thought it would be better, but now I lowered it back, so I'm just trying it out. I guess it was just like pinching my leg. I guess my leg was too folded for comfort, and it's bothering me at the track. So right now I lowered it. Maybe it give me some relief. I thought my legs was, I guess I have longer legs than I thought. So anyway, just Sunday, doing a short Sunday ride, just round the block, making sure I didn't mess up my linkages for the shifter, the brake, rear brake, and all that. Pretty quiet Sunday morning. Still no exhaust on the Ducati V4R, but like I mentioned on the previous video, it sounds amazing, so I don't think it needs it. I forgot to put my mirrors on. Yeah, I just have signals. I don't have my mirrors. I have to do a head check. Nice Jeep. I'll take a short like freeway. I haven't really stretched the legs of the V4R in a long time. I don't really ride this bike on the street. Feel kind of bad. So, I mean, it's nice, but you know, if you have a GSA, it doesn't make any sense to ride this and put unnecessary miles on it. Also, when it's cold, like right now during the winter time, it's actually really nice because it's like a natural heater for your legs. Yeah, should put the mirrors back on. Yeah, that wind is shift's fine. I guess the shifter's fine. Actually, after I just got my suspension adjusted by Dave Moss a couple times at the track, it actually rides pretty nice on the street too. Not bad at all. Before he made the adjustments, it was really rough. Yeah, before, you know, it was bouncing me all around it wasn't nice. But right now it's pretty nice on the street. Not bad. Such a nice bike, actually. I mean, it's a lot of bike for just a track day or sometimes bike, but I mean, when you're riding it, it's pretty damn nice. I get reminded of how nice it is, but I probably could have gotten away with a V4S. Seriously, I could have gotten away with a V4S, but you know, I'm a sucker for nice bikes. That was nice. I forgot that power for a while. Well, we're exiting here now though. See if we can this is it. That's the end of the short ride. Alright, let's get out of here. Yeah, the exhaust sounds really good already to me. But the looks of it, it's just I'm not a fan of the looks of the stock exhaust. Probably just I don't like the shape of it at all. Like I like pipes coming out. I don't like it at the bottom like that, but yeah, I don't know what to do with that. I don't know which exhaust I really want. On one hand, like, I want to just get the slip-ons because that's really good enough. It really does the job. I don't need any more. But on the other hand, I want the full exhaust because of it's the Ducati catalog. You know, it's part of the bike, so it kind of completes the bike if anything. So. One is super cheap, one is cheaper, and one is super expensive. Yeah. Is it worth it? Not really. But it might bother me. Like, oh, I should have gotten it. Should have just gotten that one. That kind of thing. Alright guys, so that's it. Just go ahead and take you guys along. Just wanted to take you guys along for that short ride. Testing out my rear sets. Just a short, simple ride. Enjoying Sunday. Maybe I should do bar end mirrors, because I don't like messing with the bike too much when I'm prepping it for the track, and disconnecting the turn signals and the mirror, very annoying to me, because you have to like fish for the cable and like do two screws and all that. But I think the bar end should be much easier because you just have to do this one bolt, and, you know, so I think I might explore that idea of just having a bar end mirror. And there's like some other bar end mirrors you can fold in. You're not using it, you can just fold it in. So I might just do that then. I'll look into that. Maybe Rizoma has one. I'm sure they do. Alright guys, hopefully that was an okay video. Really just a short ride, but you know, just keeping the camera rolling just because. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.